Good morning. So today I'm on my way to shoot with Meaghan Rachael Photography. I'm super excited about it. I'll take you guys with me. I believe I'm going to have to keep the client and the project confidential just because it's for print. So I don't know how much they can show, etc. Couple new developments. I got a haircut, amen. Thank you, Stacy, for cutting my hair because that business was getting way out of control. And we got a new camera to vlog with. So we're very excited about it. We're still working out the details of the equipment to go with the camera. However, the camera's pretty bomb and I'm excited. This is the vlog camera. Rachel has hers as well, so we have two, so we can shoot while we're together and while we're apart, and all that good stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for some Meaghan Rachael goodness. Also, this truck is gonna have me singing Mary Poppins all freaking day, and it's genius in my opinion. And if anybody has a chimney, please call these people because it's brilliant. Hello. Hi. I know, it's serious business now. Okay guys, so I can't share, I was right, I can't share tons of information with you because this is for publication. So yeah, you're not gonna get to see a whole lot until it's published, and then of course I'll be able to show you everything, which is so cool. It's always a pleasure shooting here with Mary. This space is amazing. She's just super good at what she does. And it's nice to work with people that are just really into what they're doing and do it well and get excited about it. And the vibe is like so good that it's contagious. First look's going on now. I am gonna run to the restroom because because it's been a minute. And then I will be back inside. It's like a crazy cool old building. I mean, it really is like really neat. I will say, however, the one thing that's slightly scary to me about working in this building is the water pipes constantly. Do you hear this? It's like footsteps. Is it haunted? Are there people walking around? I don't know. First few times that I was here, and it's really, of course, we have like the music going in the studio and everything, so it's like super nice in there, and then you come out here and you're like, what is that noise? So yeah, The history of this building is, it is an old textile mill. This is a building that used to, seriously, can you hear this? This is a really cool old building. I love cool old buildings. I live in a cool old house. I love old architecture. I hate new construction. Hate is a strong word. Don't hate it. I enjoy the richness and history of an old building. And in this case, the rich history is really noisy. Polo shoe. Okie dokie. It's a wrap, we're done. I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm gonna go home and get something to eat because I am starving. And I don't know where the rest of my day is gonna take me. Probably somewhere equally glamorous. Like the grocery store or to get gas. So this is for anybody that thinks that makeup artistry is super glamorous. It is not. My makeup looks horrible because I haven't been able to touch it up in hours. I'm starving. So the makeup life is not glamorous. If you think you want to do this for a living, prepare to be dehydrated and hungry most of the time because that's what ends up happening. I recommend buying a Yeti. I am living my best goth life today. It is snowing here. It's like the first day of spring and it's snowing. It took me an hour and a half to get home from my job that I was just on. I was gonna swing by Rachel's and drop off some stuff, and there's no way I'm going out there. I'm just not gonna go out there. It's disgusting, and there were accidents all over the place, and it's springtime. I would love to say that I'm mad about it, but this is just a good excuse for me not to have to leave the house for the rest of today. So I'm not leaving the house for the rest of today. I'm gonna do laundry. I'm gonna cook lots of food, and I'm gonna edit videos, and I'm gonna respond to emails, and that's what my day is gonna be. That's how exciting it is. I don't care because I get to stay home. Also, it's still winter, so I can still wear lipstick that looks like this. I'm dragging that out as long as I can because it's the only positive thing I can possibly get out of today. There is an upside to having a snow day. I had time to make these delicious, my nails look horrible, so whatever. I made these delicious steel cut oatmeal, like energy bites, and they are amazing. It's steel cut oats, honey, raw chocolate chips, almond butter. I put some coconut flour in there. I put some hemp seeds in there, and they're amazing. and they're no bake, and it took like 2 minutes to do this. So good.